Hi guys, this is Deepak from Isuremedia, and in this video, I'm gonna go give you a quick overview of one of our client sub account and the setup which we have done for them to automate their business process and to reduce the manual follow-ups for their contacts. So right now, I'm in their website, and in this website, we have used plenty of GoHighLevel forms, right, starting from uh, giving the access of the courses and for registering contacts on to their training events. So I'll show you the forms as well. So let's say for this Grief Recovery Handbook audiobook. So uh, this page have been designed on to the Go High Level as well, and this form has also been designed on Go High Level. And so this form is just one of the main entry point you can say for the contacts, and next for this free online course. And again, the form appears in here and the contact enters from here in the system, and then through the automations the contact get active or access to the online courses or the courses which have been designed on the go high level as well. And these forms are the one of the entry points for the contacts, and next is the checkout forms, which is the main points for the contacts to get registered on their events and get into the systems. So this is the checkout form from the Go High Level site, and once the contact submits this form, their contacts get created on the system, and after that they get redirected to one of this another Go High Level page on which there is a survey created which helps them to select their date, and then after that they submit their details in here. And let's say if any contacts giving information for referring person and organization name, these details get updated on to a Google Sheet through the Zapier integration. And like in here, this data has been reflected onto the Google Sheet. So this is about the checkout pages, and once the contact register on their events, they get updated to the contact records as well, and there's an email sequences or the follow-up sequences going on, which have been handled by the automations based on the dates. And I'll show you one of the contacts